Welcome back to yet another video on my channel. It's your girl Danxelle Lesha, and I'm here to bring you this hyped up, I think it don't get enough hype, honestly, this I-part wig. And you need no leave out, you don't need no loose, you need no glue, you don't need the blend. It just literally like it just blends in with your hair. So when it comes to this wig, it has natural roots to where you don't, like I just said, so it's like a natural black mixed in with a medium brown, well, a mixed brown. So the inches are 20 inches, so 100% virgin hair, real hair, so it's not synthetic hair. $1.99 for this wig. So I'll leave everything in the description below if you guys want to check it out, which I'm sure you guys want to check this wig out, because I would too if I seen this wig. When it comes to this wig compared to a U-part wig, I know you guys are probably saying it's probably the same. No, it's basically different, because a U-part wig is a U-part is like we have to leave out with, and then I-part is just, it's literally just lines up with your part in the middle of your head. Yeah, that's the difference between I-part wig and a U-part wig. Oh, and it's 100% breathable. I cannot stress this enough. Like my head, I can feel the breeze coming from my ceiling fan, and I'm sure I can feel the breeze outside too, because when it comes to regular lace wigs, closure wigs, my head be hot, my head be sweating, and I can't take it. But yeah, I'll leave everything in the description below. I do have a code, I'll leave it right here, Danxelle 25. You get 25% off. Okay, period. And the website is ilikehair.com. Y'all check out their website. They do have other wigs, like I put a screen recording right here of their website. See, I want to try a little bit of color because I always get a 1B. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get off y'all hair and I'm gonna let y'all get into this video because it's a good video. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video. So stay tuned to the video so you can decide if you want to subscribe. Stay tuned for my other videos to come. I really want to vlog, so stay tuned and see if I do like some car vlogs, whatever. So yeah, thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you like the video. Bye, you guys. So now that I laid my hair down, I'm going to, I like, the company name is ILikeHair.com, and yeah, I showed you everything at the beginning that comes inside the box. This is the wig. So it has 4 combs at the top, a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and then at the bottom in the back is a comb. And then they even have the extend thing, so you can like make it tighter on your head or whatever. So yeah, I think that's all basically. So I think you just clip it in, and it's supposed to like blend in. So you put, so it's like the clip where you have to like clip it yourself. So the first one, it's like the snap ones. That one in. I should have just did it with my hair frizzy, because honestly it's not looking like I imagined. I should never have laid my hair. It's really not camouflage as it should be. Not really camouflage. You can see where the hair is like kind of like right here. You can kind of see. You can kind of see like where the hair is starting. You can tell that it's not on the scalp, but I feel like if I do. I love the color on me. Like I think this color looks so cute on me. Honestly, I feel like it would look cute. I feel like it would look cute in the side part. Left out. You don't have to do it, but I'm gonna try.
Oh yeah, baby. You I love you so, but you don't feel like I do.